The Buck Knives 110 Slim Pro is an advanced, thin, everyday carry knife based on an American classic. This modern take on the 110 Folding Hunter features upgraded materials and a sleek new look. The decreased weight and thickness make the Slim Pro perfect for everyday carry. The heavy bolster and frame of the classic 110 have been replaced with strong and lightweight material. Available in 3 colors, black G10 weighing in at only 3.4 ounces, or OD green and brown micarta weighing only 3.1 ounces. The 3.75-inch S30V stainless steel clip point blade has a satin finish and locks back for safety. Use the thumb stud for easy one-hand opening. The newly redesigned reversible and removable pocket clip allows for deep pocket carry. Made in Post Falls, Idaho, guaranteed forever, the Buck Knives 110 Slim Pro.